Hello everyone, welcome to African Nut Food. Today we are making Bofrot, also known as puff puff or beignet. So we have a beignet and Bofrot video already, but this one we're making a large one. So what we have here, we have 6 cups of plain flour, 4 sachets of yeast, and 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of fresh milk, and 2 medium-sized eggs, and lukewarm water 1 cup, and vanilla essence. And that's it. So let's go ahead and start. In my sugar, I'm gonna add my eggs, 2 eggs. And then I'm gonna add my milk. Let's see, and I'll add the rest later. So I'm gonna mix them together until you have to mix this into the sugar dissolve. What we're going to do now, the sugar and the milk and the eggs is ready. So part this middle and then put a bit of the liquid in there and mix it like so, and gradually still adding more. Another one until that everything goes in. That's it. So what you do, you just mix this together until we become one. Everything mix. There's no more flour. When it's getting a bit hard, what you do, you add a bit of water. Not too much water, just a bit of water. Like this, my one is getting hard, so I'm gonna add a bit lukewarm water into it. Yes, that's it. And just mix it. Make sure you mix it really well. A tiny bit of water. So let's see, I have added water to this, half a cup of water into my mixture. I don't need any more. I think it's enough. Vanilla essence in there, 1 tablespoon of vanilla in here, and mix it together. Okay, so at this point I have finished the dough, so I'm cleaning a bit on the side like that, putting everything together. And once it's finished, then I'm gonna put this clear film to cover the dough like so. Now this is covered. I'm gonna cover also with this tissue, tissue, not tissue. That's it. Cover this and leave it to rest for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then we can start our Bofrot. Yes, that's it. Our dough is rise. Bofrot has rise. So now we're going to make our Bofrot. So we have cold water here to dip our hands in, and then we have a bowl with a kitchen towel in to do our Bofrot. So let's start. This is how our Bofrot is gonna look. See, that's the first one. I drop in. The second one. Make sure you don't put too much in there, so then cook quicker. About 5 in there, and you'll be ready. You cook faster. On a low heat, not too high. Medium heat. Another one, and then I'm gonna leave it to cook. Okay. So this the Bofrot. We want it brown. We're gonna leave it about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll take it out. It looks nice already. Look at that, how chunky they are, and they go perfect this time. I'm not a professional, so I'm doing my best. Forgive me. This, look at that. Yum yum. We nyani cocoa. Nice cocoa, and then you drink the corn porridge. Nice one. Or even oats, or with peanuts or katsia. And then a bit kobia. So this is how a large quantity of Bofrot is finished. Look how fluffy that looks, and it tastes so yummy. Try. Yum. It's really nice. This is nice. So this is how. It's our breakfast. We have a lot of people in the house, so we're having all this for breakfast today. So thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed this and you try. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.